In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a flowchart in Smartsheet so you can visualize processes, organize workflows, and make project planning easier for your team. To get started, open Smartsheet and navigate to your workspace. Click Create and choose Dashboard. Give your dashboard a name and complete the setup. This dashboard will serve as the place where your flowchart is displayed. Next, find a flowchart or process mapping template that fits your needs. You can use a template you've already created or import one from another tool. Once your flowchart is ready, save it as an image file so it can be displayed inside Smartsheet. Now return to your dashboard and switch to Edit Dashboard mode. Click Add Widget and select Image Widget. Upload your flowchart image and position it where you want it to appear on the dashboard. You can resize the image, adjust the layout, and add other widgets around it to create a complete project overview. If your process changes later, simply update the flowchart image and replace it in the widget. Using a dashboard like this gives your team a clear visual representation of workflows without having to search through multiple sheets or reports. That's how to create a flowchart in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.